Okay, today we're going to talk about changing the power steering fluid on an automobile. First thing you want to do is locate the power steering fluid reservoir, which in this particular case is right here. We're now going to check the fluid in it, which you can raise the top, but you can also see the fluid is fairly dirty. We're going to take a flashlight and shine down, and the fluid level is right here at the full mark. However, it is very dirty. What we're going to do at this point, I'm going to disconnect the hose going into the reservoir. This is coming from the steering rack, going back into the reservoir. I would want to disconnect this hose and find an approved container to install it in to allow the fluid to drain into the container. At that point, I would want to start the vehicle and add power steering fluid while the vehicle is running. What this does is it takes the new fluid and it transfers it throughout the entire system into the pump, from the pump into the steering rack, and back up to the reservoir, which we are catching in an approved container. What we're doing is flushing out all the fluid and transferring the old fluid with the new. At that point, you would want to reconnect the hose, refill the reservoir to the proper level, and bleed the system to ensure there's no air in the hydraulic system of the power steering. At that point, the job would be completed. This is a basic overview of the power steering system. However, unless you're very versed on the mechanics of your vehicle, I would prefer that you see a reputable professional to take care of this service for you, given the fact that you will most likely spray power steering fluid all over yourself, the ground, and the vehicle.